How to fix audio not working when webcam is connected in Windows. Audio disruptions can sometimes be the result of outdated or incompatible drivers. Keeping drivers updated ensures devices communicate effectively with the operating system. If that didn't work, temporarily disabling and then re-enabling the audio device can serve as a system refresh, potentially clearing any minor conflicts or glitches. If that didn't work, if that didn't work, the Windows Audio service is crucial for sound functionality on your PC. Occasionally, granting it permission to interact with the desktop can resolve audio issues. Check the box next to allow service to interact with desktop. Click Apply, then OK. Restart the Windows Audio service by right-clicking on it and selecting Restart. Windows regularly releases updates, some of which address hardware compatibility or system glitches. Keeping your system updated might provide a fix.